You know that famous success story Neville Goddard always spoke about? The one where he wanted to avoid being drafted. He asked his higher-ups for an honorable discharge, and of course the answer was no. He didn't react to this answer. I like that part. He didn't even react to their answer. He just went back to his room and he laid in his bed and he visualized laying in his bed, in his bedroom back in New York. He visualized seeing his wife in her bed and he felt himself in his. He felt his New York bedroom all around him. Stay tuned for a video coming up really shortly where we will read that success story together in Neville's words. I loved the simplicity of this scene, the idea of waking up or falling asleep in your desired reality. The bedroom in your desired reality would certainly be different from the reality you are in now in some way. For example, if you want to travel more, perhaps you would be waking up more often in a hotel suite. If it's wealth that you want, then perhaps you'd be waking up in a more luxurious setting. If it's love and romance that you're after, then you'd wake up and there'd be a companion occupying the space right next to you. Turns out that this is actually a method that is used to some degree in reality shifting, and there are so many people around the world using this technique, and I've just started using it, and I've got to say it is the most beautiful method I have ever used. How do you use this? Like you would with most visualizations and meditations, you would want to start in a calm state of mind, in a calm internal environment, and of course in an area where you're not going to be so easily disturbed. And if you need to take a few deep breaths to achieve this state of calm, then now would be the time to do that. Next, you lay down, preferably on your back, and you make sure that you are comfortable. In my experience with this, it works best if you close your eyes. Now, something I normally do is I'll wear really comfortable earphones or earbuds to completely block out this 3D reality, and I'll listen to either nature sounds, wind sounds, rain, city noises, basically any sound that would complement my imaginal scene. And here on YouTube, there are sounds for anything. Once your eyes are closed, you enter your visualization and you feel your body. Now, how does it feel to be in your body? If your desire is to manifest physical appearance changes, then now would be the time to feel what your desired changes would feel like. Would you feel lighter or heavier? Things of this nature. Feel the warmth in your body. And once you've felt this, you are now in your dream reality. In your imagination, open your eyes and tell yourself what you see. Start with the ceiling above you. Describe it. How does it differ from your 3D, if at all? Look around you and describe the room you're in, the color of the walls, the layout, the type of furniture, all that stuff. I like to make a game of it where I pick out as many items as I can find. Find the lamp in the room, find the armchair, find the window. What kind of light is coming in? Is it pure yellow sunlight or cool blue daylight? Is it sunset light? Now take your imaginal hands and use them to help get yourself up in a seated position in your bed. Basically, however you normally sit yourself up, do that and feel what that bed feels like. Feel the way your hands sink into the mattress. Feel the soft fabric of the linen. And now you're seated in your bed. How does your body feel in this position? Focus on how that feels as you continue looking around you. Perhaps now you could see more of the room you're in. If your desire is to manifest companionship, now would be the time to see the evidence that would support the presence of another person. For example, is there another person laying right beside you? Do you see clothing of another person on your armchair? Things like this. If your desire is to manifest wealth and accolades, do you see evidence that supports this? Look over to your dresser, and perhaps on top of it, you can now see a trophy or a plaque or a medal that you've recently received. This award represents something great you've achieved. How does looking at this make you feel? Now, whatever your desire is, find a natural way for you to interact with it. The accolade, for example, and get off your bed and go touch it out of pride and honor and feel how it literally feels. The companion sleeping in your bed, touch their shoulder or lay your head on their chest and take notice on how that feels. The desired body that you want, stand up out of your bed and look down at your body, noticing how amazing it now looks and feel how that feels for you. Something that also couldn't harm you would be to whisper thank you as a blessing over what you've just done. And then you can open your eyes and you can go about your day. This is an alternative style of visualization that you can use to help silence any doubts you may be experiencing when you're manifesting what it is that you want. By visualizing such a normal part of your desired reality, you'll begin to equate these things with things easily accomplished or things already accomplished. And when you do that, manifestation seems to happen more effortlessly and a lot more quicker. And now this is a process that I like to call normalizing your desire. And if you need more information on that concept, then I highly suggest you watch this video next. But for now, toodles, my love.